Now we're back to GETRESPONSE. So what we have to do is we have to go into our profile. You click our profile on the right hand side. We click Manage Account. And what we have to do here is click Email Addresses. This is for the autoresponder so that your emails go to the email address that you sign up with. I mean the one that you're going to add. You'll see now. See, here it is. Authenticating. Alright. It says add email address. If you added a Gmail or anything else, just add in a new one. You must add in your name and your email address and you click add. Then authenticating pending. Now what you would have to do is you would have to update and add a record to your DNS settings with your domain, whether it's Namecheap or GoDaddy or anyone else for that matter. By the way, I've got a description. In the description, I've got a discount for you with Namecheap, so you just have to click the link in the description. Now what we have to do is copy all this records, all of it. So let's say all of this, and we have to make a TXT record. So we have to do is copy, and as you know, with Ionis, see there I am, and I've already created it for you to understand. You add record. It's very simple. Some people get confused and a bit worried because they're changing the settings in their domains, you know, the domain records. So they get a bit. I'm going to click here. See, there's the TXT file that we have to create. Right here is we pasted there, the host name, remember. Then we go back and we copied this value. See, it says with that value, it says copied. And now we're going to go back. We're going to paste it in. See, I've already done it, but so you can see there's the preview, and that's how it's going to do. You obviously save it, and it'll take some time, but yeah. Let's go back here. Got it. See, it says authentication pending. Now I'm going to go back because we have to add in another record for our domains, the landing page domains. Now, remember we created the landing page for Right Jobs in the previous video, in my previous video, and now we're going to add a landing page domain to that, so it lands up on there, not the default one that GETRESPONSE has, because it's not professionally looking. See, it says Right Jobs. I've already done it, but what you have to do is you have to go into your DNS settings again. Now you just have to, you don't have to worry about the back end of your domain, whatever it is, .com. You just have to have Right Jobs, and you'll see now. Add record. We're going to add a CNAME record. And it gives you a list of all the records that you can add. There's the CNAME. We're going to click here. CNAME. It's Right Jobs. And there it is there. And they use GETRESPONSE uses this value. It's called squeeze.gr8.com. And what you would do is you would click save. So the value, it says points to, which is the value, points to squeeze.gr8.com. You would obviously put save. I've already done it, so that's it. And there's your domain. And once it happens, it takes about 24 hours. As you can see, it says check again in 24 hours. The domain is not active yet. And that's how you do setting up your email address and your domain.